What's up, everybody? Welcome to a very special second episode of Isolation Investigation. We are here at one of the most premier, exclusive isolation sports bars in all of Tashkent, all of Uzbekistan. This is Tashkent Laundry. Let's just see some of the stuff they have here right now. We have this awesome sports memorabilia here. Like we have a Tashkent Humos hat. We have a pair of very fresh Adidas. I love Stars and Stripes, but after Stars and Stripes, Tri Poloski. Yeah, that's me. And here we have a vintage Uzbekistan Tokyo 2020 jersey. And anyway, we are very excited to be here tonight in the VIP section, no less, of one of the most exclusive clubs. And anyway, man, it was crazy even trying to get in here. Like face control almost completely rejected me. But fortunately, I had on my finest tracksuit and my blackest shoes, my whitest socks, and I made it through. Hold on. I'm getting a call from my producer here. Hold on. Yeah. Face control was tough. I made it in. No problem. Bouncer. Marina. No. You're thinking of Alina. No, Alina. She's a strong Ukrainian woman. Cut off balls. Yeah, no, not her. Marina, who don't speak Russian. Yeah, that one. Yeah. She's turning away all the women at the door. Do you want to tell her that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Look. We're live here. I gotta go. See if you can sort it out. Okay, cool. Okay, sorry. So anyway, let's see some of what there is on offer here right now. So we have the awesome memorabilia, and we have. Look at this selection of vodka right here, folks. We have the best selection of domestic and imported vodkas here, including this right here, which apparently has pepper and honey in it. We have a wide selection of Jack Daniels. And from one of the most exclusive vineyards in all of Uzbekistan, we have wine from Chateau Hamkour. And of course, we have beer, or as the locals like to call it, which I myself am one of now, having lived here for almost 2 years. Piva. They have both kinds, Baltica and Starburst. For the kids. So anyway, let me show you guys the sound system. This is amazing right here. Like the DJ hasn't started yet, but they have the sound system here. It's insane. They have the best remixes of Ace of Base, ABBA, Ice Ice Baby that you've ever heard in your entire life. Like, it is completely off the hook. Like, this is, I'm so excited to be here. But anyway, here's what we're really here for the isolation investigation of Uzbekistan bar cuisine. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have salt peanuts. We have salt almonds. We have, I bet this one's going to be awesome, is macho.uz sulguni cheese. And we have kurt. We have 3 kinds here. We got purple, we got white, we got red, and special just for this episode, we got face kurt. See? Face kurt. And this one's gonna be amazing. My cat's been trying to eat it all day long. We have Okean Assorti, which according to my limited Russian skills means assorted ocean, I think. Okay, cool, yeah. So anyway, I think I hear a buzzer. The darks must be done. You know what? This is gonna be a 2-part episode, so stay tuned.